Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. Wow, what a day. Very, very exciting day. Lots of breaking news to bring you today. You're going to love all this news. Really, really great. Very exciting stuff. So let's get straight into the trades. Let's get straight into the markets. As you can see, a massive recovery here today. Everything's turned green. At least everything in my portfolio has turned green. Looking really, really great. And I'm going to tell you why and what's going on in the markets right now. Let's get straight into it. This is going to be a great day. I've got so much exciting news to share with you. Really, really good. So let's get straight into the trades and let's have a look at what's moving up right now. You can see what's moving up. So what have we got? This is the overall market today, up 1.38%. That's pretty good, very exciting. Looking at our VU's recovered. We're supposed to see everything crash down today, but after Coca-Cola, Elon bought Twitter. Fantastic. There we go. Yeah, we're talking about so much today. I'm not in with Twitter right now. As you can see, it's going across up 5% today. I'm not buying into Twitter. It's not something I'm interested in. I've made money on it. But hi, Mr. Martin. Lydia is here. Welcome to you, Lydia. Let's bring Matthew Stevenson in as well. Matthew is here. Lydia is here. Welcome, everybody. If you've just tuned in this afternoon, we got some great news to share with you. And it's not Twitter. It's not that at all. But that's great for Elon. Love it. But a very expensive way to get an edit button put on Twitter. But there you go. I'm an Elon fan, as you know. Love it. There we go. Twitter is up today. But what's exciting is Beetle Sean. Let me bring Beetle Sean in as well. There we go. Great stuff. What I'm excited about is this. First of all, we got Tesla has just dropped back down slightly. What an epic bull trap. Amazing. It's only a bull trap if you're a bull and walk into it. I'm a bull, always bullish, but I didn't walk into it. Great opportunity to sell into strength. He's taking it private. Won't be traded anymore. There we go. We'll discuss that later. Thank you, Matthew Stevenson. What I'm excited about, of course, is Virgin Galactic today, but also I just made a short video on it just some moments ago. Bitcoin, another country, Central African Republic, now adopts Bitcoin. There we go. That's a second country now. So another continent as well. So very, very exciting day for Bitcoin and crypto. As you can see, Bitcoin is up nearly 2% today. Ethereum is up 3.5% today. Great. I love it. So let's go over to our I forgot what I was going to do. I've done so many videos today. Absolutely crazy. This is the Bitcoin position on the app on Robinhood. Robinhood, of course, will be reporting later in the week. Looking forward to that. Google's tomorrow night. Coca-Cola was this morning, did great, love Coke, popped up, we had a trading opportunity, I didn't take it, not interested in trading out Coca-Cola, so it's one for the future, it's one I'll probably never sell, don't ever need to sell it, just keep earning the dividends, watching it grow, that's very, very good. What about Google? Google up all day today, up 2%, looking great, was down 10%. Fantastic. They're going to report tomorrow night, so we're going to be doing that tomorrow night. Going to ask you about that later on. But some very exciting news on the channel. If you've just tuned in, you're in the right place. This channel is starting to rank up big time now. I'm going to show you. Subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up if you've just tuned in. If you've just tuned in, let us know in the chat you are here. Let me see how many people are with us right now. 13 watching, 10 likes. What's going on? Smash the like button. Let me check my screens a minute. Yep, all looking good. No, this is what I want to share with all my... In fact, I'm going to wait until everybody gets here. Most of our family aren't here yet, but I've got some exciting news about the channel to share with everybody. I will wait just a few more minutes, though, before we do that. But you are going to love this news when I tell you. It's very, very exciting. Very, very exciting. As you can tell, I'm jumping up and down a little bit. Even though I'm sitting still, I'm jumping up and down. All right, we're trying to become the best YouTube channel in the world. Not concentrating on size. Want to be the best. And if we are the best, we'll probably become the biggest. That's the idea. Want to be the best first, though, right? He's taken it private. It won't be traded anymore. This is what Matthew says about Twitter. So what will happen? I'm currently not in the stock right now. I'm out. I made my money. I've already made my profit. Size doesn't matter. Market profit says, yeah, you want to be the best. And if you are the best, like Elon Musk, you become the biggest. Unless you ask your wife. I'm not getting involved in that. What's going on? What sort of show is this anyway? All right. I've just, yep, I thought so. I just put a short out and it's exploding. I put a short out a second ago and I thought it was going to happen, and it is. It's already pumping. Very exciting. Right. Basically, I just put a short out about Bitcoin, another country adopting it, and it's exploding right now. Really good. But here is my exciting news. Is most of my family here yet? 15. 15. It's about half missing. All right. I want to tell everybody. Right, here it is. This is my exciting news. I'm going to share it with everybody. I can't wait. All right. I'm going to share it with you right now. So if you go into YouTube and you type in SPCE stock, right, the #1 ranked channel in the world with 26,000 subscribers is the Wolf of Dubai. All right, been around for a long time, and that is the #1. And #2 is CNBC television. Believe it or not, with 2 million subscribers. CNBC television, and then it goes down and down and down. Virgin Galactic, Richard Branson, so on and so forth. Well, things have now changed. If you go into YouTube and type SPCE stock, all right, I rank up. The day trader ranks up #2 in the world. There we go. Look at this. Look, above CNBC television. Look at that. The Wolf is still #1, but I am catching up very, very quickly. In fact, most of my videos rank #1, but the channel for the search term SPCE stock is now, we are #2 in the world, above CNBC television. Does that deserve an excitement? Is everyone going to get excited about that? Come on, I want to see the chat blow up. Pretty cool. If you type in SPCE stock, that search term is we are #2 in the world now with just 2.9 thousand subscribers. We are 2 in the world. CNBC television has 2 million, and we rank above them. Get in, the day trader. What is LFG? What does LFG mean? I'm excited. You are all members of this channel, right? Second biggest in the world for that search term. What does LFG mean? We knew you could do it. Can't believe it. I rank #2 in the world, and I'm pushing because I want to rank #1. All right. I will come back to that. And let's see if we can get #1. But if you actually put the search term in, it brings up, look at the day trader videos. Look at, we got the top spot. We got third. We got what, 6. We rank all the way down. There's more as well. Yeah, 7, 8, 10, all the way down we're ranking. LFG means let's, okay, love it. LFG, thank you very much indeed for that. So there you go, very excited. All right, and as we are speaking to you as well, I want to show you the short I just put out. I don't know if you can see that top of the screen. Look, all of us, look. My views in the last few minutes. This is minute by minute. Minute by minute, it's growing, right, compared to the rest of the day. We're starting to rank now for all kinds of things, and it's very, very exciting. As you can imagine here in the studio, we are getting very, very excited. Now then, Twitter is up. Are you chasing the stock? I'm not chasing the stock. I don't know what's going to happen to it. What happens if it goes private? What happens to the people that have got shares in it? Some stock exchanges, not Robinhood, have temporarily halted trading on Twitter. I don't know what happens. Is Market on Discord yet? I don't know. What happens with this stock? I don't know. I have no idea what happens now. He's bought it. Does stock go up, go down? I have no idea. Anyway. Nudge it, budget, move it. You just missed some really, really, some really, really great breaking news for the channel. If you're a fan of the channel, and I know you are an investor in the channel as you are a sponsor, you will be very, very excited to hear what I just said. I'll just for your benefit, I'll share it again because you're a sponsor of the channel. We now rank second in the world for the channel ranks for SPCE stock news. All right. Anything to do with SPCE, we rank number 2 in the world now, above CNBC television with 2 million subscribers. Wolf of Dubai has been holding it for years. And I was like, not even on the, I wasn't even top 100. And I've jumped right in to number 2 above CNBC. So I'm extremely happy about that. We're ranking now. And no gloom, just reality. It's hard for permabulls to face reality. I know this. I understand. I understand what you're saying, market. But it's hard to be anything other than bullish. I'm always bullish. Anyway, Tesla's just taking a bit of a dive at the moment. It will come back up again, though, in a minute. I'm sure it will. SPCE's holding up 2.38% today. He's buying it for 54.20 per share. Most likely that was his offer before. 50. What do we do though? Is Twitter going to go up or down? Where do you see it going? There are different data centers in UK. You are number 1. There are different data centers in UK. You are number 1. Get in. Thank you very much. Nudge it, budget, move it. Fantastic. I'm really happy for all my members because it's important for you guys because I want the channel to grow and so on and so forth. Right. Reality market, really? Wow, number 1 in the UK. Number 1 for SPCE stock. Get it? I didn't even know that. Nudge it, budget, move it. Could you take a screenshot of that? So what I want a screenshot of this. In the US, we are number 2. Could you get a screenshot? SPC stock, get a screenshot of this. I want to share that because it's very exciting. Try logging out of Google through after show, or you will log us out. Try logging out of Google though. Yeah. I need you to do it for me. Send me the screenshot. It's like the Beatles all over again. Yeah. Yeah. Number 1. All right. We're number 2 right now in the US. Number 1 in the UK. But I want to be number 1 in the US as well. And I'm pushing really hard to do it. So I'm not going to give up. Going to get there. And I know we're going to get there. The Wolf of Dubai has actually been messaging me and commenting on my videos, so it'll be interesting to see where we go. Virgin Galactic's pushing up again. Look, guys, I just need to leave you on this for a moment. Sometimes I get low blood sugar and I get a bit shaky, and all of a sudden it's come on. So I need to go and get a bar of chocolate and a glass of Coke. So if I could leave you to carry on. At the moment, he's financing the purchase market. He's financing the purchase. That's what we're talking about. Twitter right now. Being hopeful. Right. I'm going to put you back on the main portfolio, which is just there. And I've just got to go and grab a bar of chocolate and a glass of Coke. I don't know if Leah. Is she about? No, she's not about. I need to go and do that. Sometimes I start shaking. Look, my hand starts shaking. It does happen from time to time. So I'm going to go and do that. I just want to make sure I'm leaving you in a good place. For the moment, everything's exploding there on the channel. I'm excited. I'm excited today. It's hard to contain your excitement sometimes. But I'm going to have to leave you on that there, I think. Right, how does market know all these things? Thank you. Could you help me? I've got my shaking. What? Could I have a Snickers bar and a glass of Coke, please? Thank you very much. All right, Leah's on it. I don't have to leave you, which is good. Need a mini fridge next to the Coke and chocolate. We got a fridge. This is America. We got fridges everywhere. So Leah's coming to help me. So she's going to get me a Coke and she's going to get me a Snickers bar. So I know it's unprofessional eating while I'm working, but unfortunately I'm going to have to this time. Anyway, let's get back to the stocks. VU is pushing back up. Tesla is going to push back up. Thank you very much indeed. Okay, here we go. It's Dave Horrocks just subscribed. There we go. Dave Horrocks. Welcome, Dave Horrocks, everybody. So I apologize for eating. Unfortunately, I have to eat as I got low blood sugar right now. You have mail. They might, but I don't. The other streamers might eat on camera, but I don't. I try to be more professional about it than that. But anyway, there you go. Looking really good now, folks. Hit like and subscribe. Thank you very much, Peru. Take over the show, guys. Thank you, Leah. Okay, good idea. I'll put you on a 1-minute ad break. The reason why this has happened is because I actually didn't get a chance to eat. My wife was trying to get me to eat, but I was making videos. I was trying to take advantage of the explosion with my rankings, and that's what you have to do. When the algorithm favors you, you need to run with it. So I did, and that's what has happened. So if everybody would kindly watch the ad, I'm going to leave you just for a moment while I just drink this. So it'll be a couple of minutes. So I'm going to take a 2-minute break. So watch the ads all the way through. I'm going to leave you now with just some background video here from Richard Branson. I'll be right back in just a couple of moments. Very, very exciting stuff. We've got so much to talk about today. The markets are doing amazing. I'm really excited. So I'll see you back in a minute. Here we go. Just take a 2-minute break. Okay. Okay, we are back again now. Let me just check that the microphone is unmuted. It was on the land. Let's have a look. Movies, that's all good again. Just checking it was all coming through. Excuse me. We should be good. Okay. Thank you very much for your understanding there. Appreciate it very much indeed. I was trying to get extra videos out when I should have been having my lunch, but I wasn't, so I apologise. Anyway, when the algorithm favours you, when you've worked nearly a year for it, you've got to take advantage of it. Otherwise, what is the point? All right, but when I finish this show in half an hour, I'll go and eat my dinner. Okay. The market's now up 1.59, looking really good. Let's have a look. Let's go through where we are right now. Vanguard S&P has turned green for the day. Tesla is moving back up again. Rivian is up. Might take a trade there today if I can make some money at, I think it was 35. We're not there yet. SPCE, fantastic, no surprise. But it's early days though. I made a video, I want to calm everybody down. Now I'm ranking number 1 in the UK, and I'm ranking number 2 in the US for SPCE. A lot of people are messaging me about it. And I want to make sure that people understand that this is not the time. This is not the time yet. Okay, this is not the time yet. This is because people, not a bloodbath with space. No, and it won't be a bloodbath with space. This is because, thank you, Alex, by the way, I've just got your image. Thank you so much indeed for sending that through to me. This is simply because people are parking their money. Where is the opportunities lie? Well, they know the opportunities are coming with SPCE, so they're parking their money with SPCE. That's all it is right now. And it's not the time, though. It could drop back down again. This is not the time. But of course, if any good news comes out, it might come out sooner. Then off we go. But I'm just telling everybody, we're not about to see Virgin Galactic SPCE go up to $100 today or nothing like it. But it's great, and it shows the sentiments there. Despite everything going down, people are starting to realise this stock isn't going to go down. So anyway, what does everybody feel we should do with Twitter? Is it worth owning a share just for the hell of it? I bought in Twitter at 52. Where did I do it? What did I do? Sell. Where did I buy it? I bought it in at 30. Yeah, 37. Yeah, 37, and I sold it at 52. I sold it at 52, so I've made good money on it. That's where it is now. I sold it at this point. Where do we see it going now? I would see Apple over Rivian. I would sell Apple over Rivian. I like Rivian as much as Tesla. I would sell Apple over Rivian. Interesting. You should tweet yourself. Oh, very good. Shall we all buy a Twitter for the sake of it? I don't know. This is where I sold it now, so it's back up to where I sold it. I don't see any point buying it there. If you buy Twitter, it'll be purchased at 54.20. Seems silly to buy Twitter now. Yeah, it does. So what will happen then? What will happen? How does it work? It's going to go private, right? So it's going to come off the market. I mean, what happens? I mean, if I buy a share and I refuse to sell it, I mean, how does it work? I've not been in that position before. Anyway, we're looking at Bitcoin because I just announced a few moments ago that Central African Republic is the second country to adopt it. I think it's got 11 million people, 11 million users. So it's quite, it's about the same size of El Salvador. It's not a massive country or anything, but it's certainly worth noting that another country has adopted it. So anyway, pretty exciting stuff. I'm just looking at something else. I've just been given a note about something else I'm ranking for now. It looks like we're starting to rank for other things as well. That's exciting, isn't it? It's exciting. Right. As you can see, Bitcoin is doing well right now, up 2.62 on this news. Elon will buy it from the shareholders and it won't be traded anymore. Oh, is that what happens? So he just buys everyone's shares? I mean, how does that happen? So, but are you saying he'll pay Twitter? It'll be purchased at 54.20. So is that $2 a share then? Seems silly to buy Twitter now. Why? I just want to understand. Are you telling me every share will be bought from me at 54? Because it's 52, I'll make $2 a share. Buy 10 shares, $20. 100 shares, $200. Is that what you're telling me? Is that the fact? I don't know how that's going to work. Anyway, Elon will buy it from all the shareholders and it won't be traded anymore. Hi, Martin. Good evening, Paddy. Bitcoin is rising. Yes, Beatles is here. Now then, there's a few people that I don't have voices for. If you've let me open the broadcast room on Discord. Right, I'm in the broadcast room right now. The broadcast room is open. If you want to call in, you can call in. We've got Paddy April from Italy. Here we go.
Hello to everybody. I'm calling from Tuscany, near Pisa. I'm very happy to be here. It's very amazing. It's very funny, and to share friendship, a great channel, because you're sympathetic, because it's a great family, a pleasure, and a great emotion.
Wonderful stuff. And Paul B said this.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
Matthew said you would make way more money buying and selling Tesla every day. Yeah, but profit's profit though, right? It's a guaranteed profit. Is that what you're telling me? Crawling in, grabs his comfy chair. Hey everyone, here's Bill. Lovely stuff. Breaking news. I just sent you something in Discord. Let's have a look. Where did you send it? Let's have a look. Let me have a little look. Be interesting to note, because it just seems, if that's free money sat on the table, never experienced anything like it. Ali, what happens to stock options when a public company goes private? Okay, what happens to stock options when a company goes private? Let's have a little look. Shall we open it up? Open link in a new tab. We'll open it up. We'll have a little read. We'll bring it up here right now. So here we go. This is what we've got from Ali. Thank you ever so much for sending this in, by the way. We're looking at Bitcoin now, doing very well. This is going to really start to take off now. Other countries adopting it is going to be great. Twitter, welcome. If you just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. We're exploding now. And for those of you just tuned in, I'm going to share some great news with everybody again in a minute. But first of all, let's read this information that was sent in. Thank you very much from Ali. What happens to a stock option when a public company goes private? What happens? Unfortunately, there are many possible outcomes for employees with stock options. Oh, that's employees. If you invested stock options but haven't exercised, if you have invested unvested stock options, okay, this is very complicated. I'll read it through later. So thanks for sending that. I'm not going to share that on the show right now because there's all different versions of this. What should you do if a company goes private this is a lot more to it. It's not a quick headline. I'll read it later. Thank you ever so much for sending that in to me, Ali. That's really great. Okay, we're watching now. Let's go back to the share of Twitter. It's still going up. Apparently, it's going to be sold at 54. I don't know what that actually means, but anyway, nevertheless, if we're not sure what we're doing, let's keep out of it. You have to Google what happens to shareholders. Yeah, I'd be interested to know. It just seems, well, if it's going to sell for 54, guaranteed, buy it for 52 and buy as many as you can. I mean, I don't know. You have to Google what happens to I don't know. So until I know, I'll keep out of it. It's probably the safest bet anyway. S&P is doing very well. We had a big swing today. Could have bought this at 2% down. Would have been very nice, wouldn't it? Tesla is moving back up again now, heading towards $1,000. Rivian doing well. Hi, Paddy. Rob McLean is here. Good stuff. And we got a new little voice tag from Tom. Very nice. Here's Tom.
Best YouTube channel in the world. It's great family, great support all around, not just for Martyn's channel, but for every channel that you guys come and watch. So that's why you need to be part of the Day Trader family.
There you go. Best YouTube channel in the world. And when I asked Peru's in the house right now, what's the best YouTube channel in the world? He left me this comment here.
Currently, your channel is something unique that I like about, because you're helping people. You relay excellent information and real information, and no hype at all. That's why I like your channel.
And Peru, I don't think you were in when I announced this earlier. We've just hit a milestone in the channel, and very exciting. If you type in space stock into YouTube, in the UK, we are number 1, but in the US, we are now, for the search term, number 2 in the world. Look, we even rank above CNBC television for SPCE stock It's one way you can make a very successful YouTube channel. Find a niche, focus on a niche, and really push for one niche, a small niche. It's not a big niche. It's not like Tesla. It's not like Apple. It's not like Bitcoin. It's a much, much smaller niche. You can become number one in that niche, and that will really elevate your channel. So I'm really excited to see that I have ranked above CNBC television, number 2 in the world now for space stock, SPCE stock. Very, very nice indeed. And I'm going to keep pushing until we're number 1. All right. And then once I'm number 1 in SPCE, I will then transfer that to other things in the space field and try to rank for those as well and work on those videos. And then once that starts happening, then I'll start branching into Apple and Bitcoin. And then if you become number 1 in those channels, then you have literally 10 million subscribers. So very exciting. Matthew Stevenson, have you ever bought extra Tesla shares just to day trade? Yes, it's crazy volatile. Should be easy to make money with just a few shares. Yes, I have done. I have done. At the minute, I'm not day trading very much, as you know, because I'm just getting back my margin, making my profits. So at the moment, I'm being a bit more careful. And also, I'm focusing on making the videos for you guys rather than trading at the moment. It's difficult to do both at the same time. Anyway, yeah, Matt, look at what you have to buy to make. I do that with Tesla, though. You do that with Tesla, yes. Let's have a look. Because you know Tesla's going up and you don't mind owning it. So it's always... I mean, for example, I could buy Tesla now, right? And sell one. Simple as that. Down 1.36, exactly right. That's exactly how it goes, yeah. In fact, I'll do that right now. I will exercise that very point. Because you know Tesla's always going to go up, right? There you go. To make the point, there you go. I just day traded for you. I know you're getting restless, Matthew. We've been not day trading, okay? So I've just bought a Tesla share, okay? I just bought one. Just spent $991, okay? And what I will do is I will 991. Yeah, 991. So there you go. I've just bought a Tesla share. Does that make you feel better? There you go. Tesla's a great company. It's the best company. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah. It's fluctuated $40 just today. Pretty awesome. Yes, indeed. 991. There you go. I've just bought one. It doesn't matter. I don't mind owning it. You can't buy enough. Love it. Heart, heart. Yeah. Just for you, Matthew Stevenson. Just for you, because I'm celebrating being number 2 in the world in the US. Number 2 in the US for SPC and number 1 in the UK. I just bought a share of Tesla. Completely ridiculous. Not thought out. Don't want to spend any money right now. But it doesn't make any difference at all. I've always said it and I always stand by what I say to people. It's never the wrong time to buy Tesla. Of course it's not. All right. So there we go. What I could do in a minute. You have to do it because I can't, right? Okay. 991. If I own that stock, that's fine. I mean, it's kind of swings around about. So I might not even sell it now. I'll just keep it. Anyway, there you go. Let's see if I can just sell that one. And just to make a profit on it, just for the hell of it. You're right. What I should actually do, and what I will do as I start to make profits again, is I will have the stocks I just keep all the time, and then I will have stocks I trade every day. So I'll just buy in and sell a Tesla in 5 minutes. You know, just make some money. Woohoo! My portfolio is green after a week of red. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. We're up and up and up and up. And let's have a look. Bitcoin is on fire right now. Only 3%. Yep, it's gone through 3%. The word's out. I broke the word to the... I broke the news to the world. No, I didn't. There's a few channels a bit bigger than mine. But nevertheless, I put it out there about the country. And it's done pretty well. Very excited about it. We're looking at Ethereum doing very well. No bloodbath today. Market for me, not for but Coca-Cola's going up again as well. Looking very nice after this morning's earnings. Really great. Google is tomorrow night. Tomorrow night. So let me do a poll. We've not done a poll for a while. Who's joining me after hours tomorrow for Google? All right. Let's get a big one. Who's joining me after hours tomorrow for Google? We want to start ranking for the earnings as well now. We want to start ranking for earnings. Who's joining me after hours tomorrow for Google? All right, ask the community. We want to rank for earnings, so we're going to keep pushing these earnings and see if we can rank for that as well. Okay. Very nice. And if you become a member during the show, this is what happens. A subscriber, this is what happens. And if you do a super chat and you want to buy a song, yes, I'm the World Piano Man. You can get a song. 99 cents, $1, £1 will buy you a 1 minute on the piano back here in the studio. If you want to hear one of my 14 voices, I sing in 14 voices in 7 different languages. That's a $10 tip. And during the show, I will go to the piano and I will sing your voice. Frank Sinatra, Paul McCartney, Elton John, Louis Armstrong, Bryan Adams. Who else can I do? Andrea Bocelli, Pavarotti. Yeah, quite a few. There you go. Paul McCartney, Eric Clapton's another one I can do as well. Or Michael Bolton. All right, if anybody wants to dedicate that song to a loved one, you can clip it and save it and give it to a loved one as well. Something else you can do for $10 tip. All right, Mike, test it is up, Martin, for when you bought. Let's have a look. Shall I sell? Shall I sell one? Thank you very much. 991. I bought it at 991. It's the same. It's just around the 991. Shall we just sell one for a laugh? Just for a laugh. I mean, I'm sort of in that mood today. I bought it at 991. Yeah, 991. I don't even mind if it goes down. Who cares? It doesn't matter. 991. Well, it was. Well, Mike, there's no point telling me news when it was, is it? You got to tell me when it is. All right, look out for me, Mike. All right, we'll try and have a bit of fun and we'll try and sell one. No, don't sell. Matthew Stevenson wants to see some day trading. He wants to see some day trading. All right, so we just buy one. We bit of fun, right? It's neither here or there. It's up by the fact you own Tesla, and if you make a profit, it's up. Really, you should never sell. But if we're having some fun day trading, then we kind of have to. Well, let's watch Matthew trade. Yeah, come on, Matthew. Tune on in and we'll watch you trade. That's a good idea. Who wants to call in? In fact, I'll go in the green room. I'll go into the broadcast room now. Have we got anybody in the broadcast room? Let's have a look. Anybody in the broadcast room right now? Let me have a look. Is anybody in the broadcast room? No, nobody's in there. If anybody wants to call in, have their say. If you'd like to be on the show this afternoon, say hello to everybody, have a little chat with the whole world. Here's Ali Tosro, one of our new members. He's a gold member who joined a couple of days ago.
You should definitely join the day trader. Join us. Join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together. And Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
Chitter chatter, I love that. There's plenty of chitter chatter in this show. We have a laugh with that one. All right, 991, here we go. Everything's daft. It's like completely hilarious. Shall I just sell it and make $1? Boom, made $1. I mean, shall I do that? Does anybody want me to make some money? It's kind of. Let's make $10. Let's get it to 1,000, shall we? 992. Who wants me to sell a Tesla? Crazy, right? I mean, Elon Musk sold Tesla. He's doing all right, so, what the heck. Anyway, Rivian is going well. SPCE is pushing up more and more and more. It literally... What does it literally mean, Matthew? Matthew, you need to correct your comment there. It literally dropped $5 and came right back up. LOL. Yep. He's dying to see me do a day trade. He's dying to see it happen. So, oh man. There we go. 991. It's gonna go. It's either way around, isn't it? Rivian, SPCE pushing up, getting better and better and better. Amazon looking great, heading towards 3,000 again. Lovely. Twitter, obviously we're out of that now. We're not doing anything. I made money on it anyway. Nvidia, Meta, Gauss, Guggenheim, sell it exactly at the same price. Would that be good? Would that be entertaining? Would everybody want to see that? Let's keep our eye on Tesla then. 991. Yeah, I'll sell it for the exact same price. That's the great thing about Robinhood. There's no charges. You can come in and out and you don't lose anything. Yeah. Pretty pointless though, right? Bitcoin is still firing off. Ethereum is still going up 5%. We got day trader of the day coming up in a minute as well. If you've just tuned in, is Peru still here? Peru's been very quiet. I'd rather take a nap, and I don't take naps. What you'd rather do? What? Take naps? I dropped $5 in Kate Rack. What you'd rather? I would rather take a nap, and don't even take naps. Subscribe and ring the bell. Hey, lovely man, it's the Rocket Man Martin. There he is. Sam. How are you, Sam? Good to see you. We're having a great day today. Celebrating. You missed our celebration a few moments ago. Yeah, we're celebrating. Very, very exciting news. Did you see my question on Discord? Interesting subject for me at the moment. This question on Discord. You got a question? What dividend stocks do people invest in, and do you only invest in them for the dividend? Example, AT&T over the last 5 years. I hate AT&T. Has steadily dropped, yet they give out 5 to 6% dividend. So if you invest, say, 100,000, you'd get a nice wage. However, your stock would be decreasing in value. Interesting to hear anyone's thoughts. It's all about tax. It's all about tax. It's a great way to earn money without paying tax. There's up to a certain limit, depending on what country you're in. You can get income without selling your shares. If you never want to get capital gains and just want an income coming in, I think dividend is an important part of your portfolio. I've got several stocks that pay a dividend, some more than others, and I love it. And I currently reinvest it. But my plan is, once this portfolio reaches 200,000, which could easily be this year, more likely 2 or 3, but it could easily be this year. Once I get to $200,000 portfolio, I will move more of my profits into the high dividend stocks, very safe ETFs. I might primarily, not all of it, but some of it will be in VU, and 20% a year. And just receive dividend payments. It's an income without selling anything. And then one day, when I'm about 80 years old, 85, sell everything, cash out, buy a Ferrari, whatever. That's kind of the plan. It's good to have a plan, I think. But yeah, dividend stocks are a very, very important part of your portfolio. Why did you say you're out of Twitter and not touching it now? Twitter's been sold. I've made my money. I've already made profit. I sold it at this position. I sold it here. Not today, but a week ago it was here, and I sold it. It's just been sold. It's just been bought by Elon Musk. So all these stocks will be taken over. And that's it. Twitter will become a private company. So there it is. So you know what I'm like. I'm probably missed out on my own funeral. You have to stop worrying about paying taxes when you can 10x your income year after year, just buying and selling and seeing stocks like Tesla every day. I get it. I know what you're saying. But what did you miss? You missed everything. You missed absolutely everything. What it is, I will tell you right now, if you type in SPCE stock into YouTube, I rank number 2 in the world now for that search term on YouTube. Number 1 in the world is Wolf of Dubai Stocks Investing Channel. They've been doing that a long time. And I'm hopefully soon be number 1. But I rank above CNBC Television, which has 2 million subscribers. So there we go. I was way below 100 in the rankings. And today I've shot up to the number 2 position. So I'm very excited about that. It's why my videos about Virgin Galactic now get viewed. And the power of that is later in the year when Virgin Galactic becomes trending, which it will, this will be very, very powerful for my channel and all the members and everybody who's invested in it. And for those of you who have not yet bought my NFTs, just saying, the value will go up as this channel starts to gain subscribers quickly, which it will do in the summer when SPCE pops and I'm ranking number 1 in the world for it. This channel is going to gain subscribers really quickly. The NFTs I have got will go up in value very, very quickly. So I'm just saying, I think Ali's bought 3 now. There are 18 in the collection. Rob McLean's bought 1. Here is the NFT collection. All my members, I will accept your offers. If you want to offer me whatever you want to pay, I will accept it. If you do it through the Polygon network, there are no gas fees. Ask Ali how he did it. Go onto Discord, ask him how he did it. He bought 3 of mine for $5 each. And I guarantee, there's some things I say I don't offer financial advice, but I guarantee one thing. My NFTs are going to go up dramatically in price when this channel gets 10,000 subscribers, 20,000 subscribers. I bought space before the Wolf. There you go. Dennis Porter's in the house. Dennis Poirier. I think that's right. Dennis Poirier is in the house. So there you go. There's my NFT collection. I've just posted it. And Dennis often speaks to me on the videos and the comments. It's lovely to have you, Dennis. Thanks for being here. And SPCE is looking good today. Doing very, very well indeed. Let's see if we can get Dennis to become a member. He's been a very loyal guest to our show. Let's see if we can get him to become our 55th member. 55th member now. There we go. And there it is. Now, of course, on Friday, we have this video, cash giveaway every Friday. I'm always giving away cash prizes. It's free to enter. Anyone can be part of it. There is the video. Go and watch that video all the way through. If you only watch the first minute, it's only 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes long. You have to watch it all. Dennis will become a member when he's ready. Welcome, Dennis. I like that. Now Twitter's becoming private. What does that mean for me? Can I still keep my shares in Twitter? We were just discussing that, Jonathan. We're not 100% sure right now. We're trying to find out. Ali sent me the information, but I need to read it off air. It's quite complicated. So I will look into it and try and make a video about what happens to those Twitter owners. I honestly don't know. You're not going to lose. I don't know. I don't get it. I don't know how it works. When it's publicly owned, I mean, you own your shares, right? I don't know what happens. Someone gives you, I don't know. Really don't know. But we will find out. Anyway, the Vanguard S&P. Is there a video on how to buy an NFT? I may have an hour or so today waiting for someone to show up. Is there a video? Ali, can you step in and help Martyn? Martyn's interested in buying one of the NFTs. So there is the link. Basically, in a nutshell, right? My NFTs are in the Ethereum network on the Ethereum currency on the Polygon network. So you need a wallet, a Polygon wallet, whichever wallet that is, it doesn't matter. I would suggest MetaMask, but that's up to you. Use any wallet with the Polygon network and Ethereum. Then there are no gas fees. And you can make me an offer. And here is the link again to my NFTs. Make me an offer. You're a member. I will accept it because I do that for my members. And you can then own it. And once you've bought my NFTs, you can trade them in Discord. You can also trade them here in the live chat. And that'll be great. And as the channel grows, so will the value. So, Discord me, Martyn Redding. You're always number one in my eyes, Martyn. Cheers, Sam. Thank you very much indeed. There you go. There are 18 in the collection. The original ones, the first ones, they're all one of one, which makes the maximum value. I want everyone to get the best value on them. And there you go. Martyn, Ali might try to sell you his ones, Martyn. You could buy off Ali. You could buy Ali's, or you could buy the first one. It's up to you. But yeah, about the shares, the company may give shareholders a price above the stock price. That's what it said. Okay, the company may give shares. It may give the shareholders. So it'll what? So you can't lose. I mean, what happens? The company may give shareholders a price above the stock price. So if you buy some Twitter right now, you're guaranteed your money back. You might make a profit. It's an option. I don't know then. We're learning literally on the fly here. I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy one share of Twitter to find out what happens. There you go. Enough messing around. I'm going to buy one share of Twitter, see what happens. There you go. I own a share of Twitter, Mr. Elon Musk. I own one share now. Nothing you can do about it. You got to give me money. Might as well get a loan for 100,000 and buy loads then. Well, yeah, I mean... If they've got to buy them off you for more than you paid for it, literally sell your house. We're giving for the very first time live on the Day Trader. We're giving financial advice. Sell your house and buy as many Twitter shares as you can, because you're guaranteed your money back with a profit. Guaranteed. That was a joke, by the way. Do not take that out of context. There will be someone who does that. All right, so very, very important. I've just bought one. I bought one because I want to find out and make a video on it. Okay, so there we go. I bought one just so I can find out what happens. Because if I own one, at least I own one, and I'll find out, right? I've already made 3 cents. Oh, Tesla. Should I sell my one share? Who wants me to sell my one share? All right. Is Matthew Stevenson here? I'm just going to sell what, because it was just a bit of fun, right? Sell Tesla. Sell one. All right. Right. I bought for 99. All right. I bought for 991. Where are you? I bought for 991. I'm selling for I'm making $7. Sell, sell, sell. There we go. Sell shares. Review order. Make sure I'm just selling one, not the whole bloody lot. 998. Sell shares one. Yeah. Sell. There you go. There you go. Congratulations to me. That's how you make money live on the Day Trader. Buy a stock. In fact, it's a very good tip actually. If you love a stock and you are absolutely committed to it, you know it's going to go up in time, and you don't mind owning it, and it's always cheap at this price, then that's fine. Then that's it. So I've got my core value that I keep, and I've just made $7. I mean, you know, there you go. It's like a $7 tip, right? It's like a $7 tip. There you go. I put the money back in the buying power again, and I just made $7. Simple as that. Just made $7. There you go. It doesn't matter. I don't mind owning it. If it went down, I'd buy more. It doesn't matter. I just made $7. So there you go. And that's not a bad idea. Have some money. You know, have some money. You think, all right, I'll spend this on day trading. It's not a bad idea actually. So Matthew Stevenson, did you find that entertaining? Was that good for you? Did you enjoy that? He's been on at me for ages. You need to do some day trading, but you could buy on all those little dips. Like, that's like 100 a day easy. Yeah, indeed. Just in case you haven't been paying attention, that's how I own all my Virgin Galactic. My Virgin Galactic, 8 grand, is nearly all free. Because I used to own it at 35 bucks, and I kept buying and selling, 100 trades a day. I don't think you were watching me at that point. See, if you were watching me at that point, you wouldn't be moaning all the time saying day trade, because you go, well, yeah, I've seen you do it. It's because you've not been around long enough. It's only Albin. If only Albin was here to see that. Right, the bell's gone. If only Albin was here. What would he say, do you reckon? Well, that ain't worth it. Albin would have said, it ain't worth it. It's not even worth sitting in my chair for $7. It's not even worth it. Yeah, I wasn't here for that. No, exactly. You wasn't here for that. You've only just started joining in. So next time you want to have a see, next time next time you start moaning about stuff, think on, mate. Think on. Never stop day trading. Never stop. Yeah, you're right. You should do it at the same time. Anyway. Amazon doing well. Up. Twitter. So I've got that one share of Twitter. So we'll see what happens when the sale goes through. Yeah, shut up, Matthew Stevenson. Who? That told you. Matthew Stevenson, you got done. I love it. Fantastic. Matthew Stevenson's in trouble. Elon paid 44 billion for Twitter on UK news now. 44 billion? Flipping out. Just so you can tweet stuff. Madness. 44 billion. Imagine if he'd put that into Tesla today. Imagine if Elon Musk had bought 44 billion shares of Tesla today. $44 billion of Tesla today. Or he'd bought $44 billion of Bitcoin today. Can you imagine it? Go away, Ali. There you go. Go away. Oh, man, that's funny. All right. So, Robinhood. Now then, listen up, folks. Robinhood's doing well right now. Okay, I'll tell you what we'll do. Robinhood. I don't mind, but okay, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll buy some Hood. I'll buy 10 shares. We're playing the day trader game now. Review order. Right, buy 10 shares of Hood. Okay. We'll do another day trade, shall we? Let's have a look. Okay. I'm glad you find this entertaining. 1043. 1043. We'll just trade those if we can. 1043. I don't mind owning it. It lowers my average anyway. 1043. Robinhood's another great one that I know is going to be great for the future. Oh, there we go. Shall I sell 10 shares of... Right. How much do you want to make this time? I just bought 1043. 1043. You ready? All right. Get ready to sell Robinhood. I just bought it for 1043. You ready? This is purely entertainment. But that's kind of what it's always been, right? 1044. I read that they won't be profitable for at least 3 years. That's fine. I don't mind that, because when they are. Oh, day trader Rob McLean has got one of his. Look at that. Rob McLean's got one of his. NFTs. Rob, I think you just missed what we were talking about NFTs a few moments ago. We've been doing a bit of day trading for the benefit of Matthew Stevenson, who hasn't been here, who doesn't ever see me do it. But I just made some money on Tesla. I bought and sold in a matter of seconds. Now we're having a bit of a laugh with Robinhood. Someone keep an eye on Robinhood for me. If it goes up, I'll sell those 10 shares. Oh, bloody hell. Bit of fun, isn't it? Let's go back to the main portfolio. Up nearly 3%. Yes, so did I. Oh, you did? Good. Ali, using my NFT on my profile till I can sell it for 50 grand. Right, here is, and we're not joking. We are not joking necessarily either. We're not joking. As the channel grows, so does the value of the NFTs. And Rob McLean, you missed this. I'm just going to show you. I'm going to show you this on the screen right now. Very exciting news. For the very first time, my NFTs are 2,000 each. Right. Look at this, Rob. I want to share this with you. Very exciting. If you go into YouTube and type in SPCE stock, I now rank number 2 in the world above CNBC television. It's very, very exciting stuff. As you can see. Number 1 has been around for a long time, Wolf of Dubai. But CNBC television, of course, is 2 million. I rank number 2 in the world now. And as this continues and my channel grows, so will the NFT value. Try space stock in YouTube in last hour. Try space stock in YouTube in the last hour. Oh, I haven't refreshed that, have I? I'll refresh it. We're just refreshing that. Oh, 286 today. That's great. Must be all the times I have logged on incognito. Nice to see you, Patty. How are you, Patty? Good to see you. Vanguard S&P is just slightly coming off its top. Tesla, maybe we'll buy it again in a minute. Rivian going sideways now. Let's do day trader of the day again as well. We'll do day trader of the day. Alan Pate. Good afternoon, Alan Pate. We got a guest to the channel here today. Would everybody please welcome Alan Pate into the show. My name is Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man. And it's lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is our spaceport for Virgin Galactic. Lovely to have you here. Thank you very much indeed. Let me give you a wave. Welcome to the Day Trader Studio. Lovely to have you here. And Alan Pate. Hi, Alan. Would everybody please put your countries and cities in, please? And welcome Alan Pate in. I'm actually from Cornwall in the United Kingdom. And my studio is here in Dallas, Texas. And welcome to you. We're just coming to the end of our show today. We are back in the morning for the opening bell. And we, of course, in the afternoon, we've got the closing bell, followed by the Google After Hours. Let's have a look. How many people? Who's joining me after hours tomorrow for Google? 60%, which means what? 12? 12 out of 20? Thanks, Paddy. Alan Pate's here. Just talking about my NFTs going up in value now. All my members can buy my NFTs for whatever you want. Make me an offer. There it is. NFTs, there it is. You can make me an offer and trade them, and they're going up in value as the channel grows. We're coming up to 1 year, so we're going to celebrate in June as we hit 1 year. If we hit 10,000 subscribers, we got a big prize to give away. Very excited about that as well. And Alan Pate, we are looking for our 55th member of the Day Trader. You get lots and lots of benefits if you are a member. Many, many benefits. But of course, one thing I want everyone to be aware of is this Friday. Here is our competition video. It's to enter the competition. It's free to enter, free for all. Everybody can be involved. Here it is, the video. You need to watch it all the way through. I'll post it 3 times. There it is. Oh, it starts in an hour. What starts in an hour? Oh, Centro is doing the earn sometimes tonight. Might be going on now. Yeah, I'm not covering that one. I'm covering Google tomorrow. And if you want to enter the competition to win the cash prize on Friday, all you got to do is watch that video and follow the instructions. All the information is below in the video. And what's your subs count at now? My subs count now is 2,911, 2,912. There we go. And we're gaining speed every day. You just saw it roll through another one there. All right. So there you go. Yeah, so if you watch that video, I just posted it 3 times. You have to watch it all the way through to the end. It's only like 3.5 minutes long. If you cheat, you won't be qualified. It won't actually count. And you need to like it and leave the comment. It tells you what comment you need to leave, so you need to follow the video instructions, and you will be in a free draw for Friday. You need to be in it. All the rules for YouTube are below under the video, so go and check it all out, and you can be in the free cash prize draw on Friday. It's free to enter, no purchase necessary, and we hope everybody will get involved and be part of that. It's looking really, really good. Okay. The S&P now is going sideways. Tesla, we just traded and made ourselves a quick bit of money. What about Hood? Am I able to make my money out of Hood? No. I bought 10 shares for, what did I pay? I don't mind owning it. It's not a problem. And April 28th is the earnings. 10.43. Yeah. There we go. Looking to sell 10 if we can, just for a bit of fun, if we get the opportunity. Anyway, Palatine is going sideways. Yeah, we're all done for the day now. Not doing a great deal. Twitter, we bought 1 just because we wanted to find out what happens. Want to find out what happens. This company's been bought by Elon Musk. So I own 1 share, 51.83. 51. I bought it for 51.78. I'm up 4 cents. Be interesting to see what happens. I just wanted to buy 1 just so I could document what happens when a company goes private after it was already public. I want to see what happens. So by buying it, at least I can bring that information to you. So there we go. In fact, I want to do that now. I want to record the first part of the video. So here we go. Let me do that now, and this can be in my bank, and it'll all come out once it goes through. Right. So here we go. Let's go into here, and let's make that video. Okay. All right. Are you feeling better off? Yes, I'm feeling much better. Thank you, Ali, for asking. Appreciate it. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Today, Elon Musk has bought Twitter. Twitter was a public company, currently still is, but it's going to become a private company. And we want to know what happens when a public company that you have shares in goes private. So I've already bought and sold Twitter many times, made some profit from it. But today I bought back in just 1 share. I bought just 1 share because I want to find out what happens when a company that is public, when you own shares in it, goes private. So just for some fun, I've got a share of Twitter. I bought it today. I've actually made, in fact, I'm pretty flat on it right now. I haven't bought it for investing purposes. I just bought it to see what happens. We're going to wait and see. Obviously, the sale won't go through straight away, but in time it will. I want to find out what happens. So this is part 1 of our video. There will be part 2. So if you look up here, later, there'll be part 2, which tells you what happened to my stock. I have no idea what's going to happen. It's interesting, though, because it looks like it's a guaranteed way to make money. It's not financial advice, but it looks like they pay back at least what you paid for the stock. So we're going to learn in real time, real experience. So look above at the link I just posted you to, and you will go to part 2 of this video. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there we go. I'm keto, so don't eat any carbs. Oh, there you go. I bet complex carb would be really good for your diet. Let me do a thumbs up. Okay, and I need to put the timer down, and I'm going to save that as part 1 of the video. That went in at 1 hour 15. 1 hour 15, Twitter. 1 hour 15, part 1, Twitter. There we go. And we'll make part 2 when I guess it gets sold. All right, and we'll see if I make any money or not. All right. So, we're looking great today. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. Are you ready? Okay, Day Trader of the Day, everybody. So, we'll do a very, very quick commercial. I'll be back in 1 minute from now. Don't go away. Watch the ads. It's a 1 minute break. You can watch it all the way through. You won't miss anything. 1 minute break. When we come back, we'll do Day Trader of the Day. Here we go. Okay, so we're running a little break here in the background. And when we come back, it will be Day Trader of the Day. So if you've just tuned into the Day Trader, Martyn Lucas, which is me, surprise, surprise, I'm on a break right now. This is the pretend me. This isn't the real me. This is the AI version of me. This isn't actually me. This is the robot version of myself, as invented by Elon Musk. And I'm not actually here. I'm actually having a cup of tea in another room. And you know, anyone believe that? Anyone? Anyone? Is this mic on? Is anybody there? All right. And we're back. Back in the room. Okay. So let's do Day Trader of the Day right now. So look at my position. I'm up 2.6. Let's see how everybody else did. 2.6%. Let's have a look. Are you ready? Keto will be a decent 2. Probably I'm just a vegan. Messages coming in from Matthew Stevenson, live in the show. Up 2.6. All right. Let's give everybody the 1 minute on the clock. Are you ready? Here we go. So going to give you 1 minute on the clock. And let's see. Oh, God, you're one of them. Carbohydrates are not good. What's going on in the chat? What's going on in the chat? 1 minute. Post your scores. Yum chiggy 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 yum boom boom chiggy up yum chiggy 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 yum boom boom yeah. Chiggy chiggy chiggy. I beat Matthew Stevenson. Get in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna win. Love it. I'm going to win today. Anybody beat me? Tell the truth. No lies. No lies on the show. No lies. Chiggy, chiggy, chiggy. Boom, boom, boom. Chiggy, chiggy, chiggy. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, Bill. Oh, he's just behind me. There you go. Looks like Bill is just behind me, but that means I still am the winner. 2.63. Am I the winner? I think I'm the winner. I never win the Day Trader competition. I should win it. It's my competition. I should rig it. but I can never manage to rig it. So there we go. Give myself a thank you very much. Thank you very much, Martyn, for your honest trades. Really appreciate you very much indeed. That's all right, Martyn. No worries at all. Pleasure to be here. There we go. Give myself a thumbs up. Thanks for the thumbs up. You're welcome. Let's have a look. Give myself a big round of applause. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Thank you very much indeed, folks. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Don't get too excited. Don't get too excited. There we go. Brilliant. So there you go. I am the winner of the day trader today. I am the winner. Matthew Stevenson, nope, your brain works better on Bex to cut, whatever that means, whatever that word that is. All right. I'm not getting into all this. We've got people talking about all sorts of stuff I know nothing about. Up 1.1, Rob McLean. No good. No good. Rob McLean. Normally I'd say congratulations, but today I'm saying no. Rubbish. There we go. We've got 12 people joining me. Looks, no, more than that, maybe 13. 13 or 14. I can't do the maths. I'm not even going to try. Oh, Twitter is going up. Twitter is going up after hours. I might make some more money. I've made 15 cents. I want to sell my 10 shares of Robinhood. Oh, hey! 10.43. Let me have a look. 10.43. Shall I sell? Yeah. Oh, I paid 10.43. Yeah, it's a wash. Yeah. Shall I sell them and get my money back? No. Steady. All right. So it's now time to take a short break until the morning. I'll be back in the morning. Let me just check the. Discord. Martin Redding wants to buy some NFTs. He needs some help. So I will shut the broadcast lounge down. No one's in the broadcast lounge. Nobody decided to come and have a chat with me. Terrible. All right, that's all good. And let's go over now to the show. We're going to finish off here. See who's watching me. A little update on our subscribers. You asked a few moments ago. We were at 2,911. I think we're now 2,912. There we go. Pretty good. But it's time to wrap up today's show. We'll be back in the morning for the opening bell, closing bell, and then, of course, we've got Google tomorrow night. After hours, let me end the poll. There'll be about 13, 14 of you watching. You're committed now because you promised you would, so don't even let me down. And that's it. Been a good day. Been a good day. We became number 2 in the world for SPCE stock. That's good. We're number 1 in the UK. That's good. The subscribers are up. The money's up. We did a day trade. We did 2 actually. The second one we've not completed because we haven't made a profit on Robinhood yet. But neither here, neither there. It doesn't matter whichever way around you want to do it. It's all fine by me. Thanks all. See you tomorrow. Fantastic. Have a lovely night wherever you are. Now, I told you earlier today, or I think I put it on the community tab. Make sure you go and check out the community tab on YouTube. You're number 1 on my TV. There you go, Matthew. Number 1 on your TV. Not tonight. I told you it was tonight. I've been asked to speak to the Lions Club about the future with AI, Elon Musk, Tesla, all that stuff. So it's not actually tonight. It's tomorrow night. So straight after Google, tomorrow night, I'll be running down to a Lions Club and presenting. I'm going to film it. I'm going to record it. I thought you might be interested. I'll do a Q&A with all the Lions, and they're going to put questions to me. Very interesting. That's tomorrow night, straight after live. It'll be. You won't see it live because there's no Wi-Fi in the venue. It's really bad, no signal at all. But I'll record it and I'll upload it, and you can all check it out. So make sure you go and check it out. And here's one final time, anybody that's just tuned in, here is the competition video. It's free to enter, no purchase necessary. Oh yeah, there it is, in the live chat. I'll post it 3 times. Good luck with those of you that are getting my NFTs. If you are a member, I will accept your offer. Okay, it's a deal I'm doing for my members. All right, Twitter is still going up. I'm just looking at it, looking very nice. That's it. Martyn's mug is going to be blurred into my screen. That's exactly how it should be. Matthew Stevenson, I should be blurred into your TV. Right in the centre. Right in the centre. That's it. Thank you very much. And I'll see you back in the morning. Have a lovely evening. Take care of yourselves and each other.